Switzerland, known for its beautiful nature, with breathtaking mountains and crystal clear lakes. Around a third of the country's surface area is made up of forest. The trees play a crucial role in...
Shit, someone walked into our frame. Who is that?
I don't know, but keep going. Improvise, we need to deliver something.
It began long ago, in a land far away to the east, the like of which you will not find in the world today. There was a boy called Ridley. He had a mysterious letter waiting to be opened in his backpack. So he had to leave the safe trail. He was looking for a place where he could read a letter without interruption. Finally, he found a place where he felt comfortable. And then the wind came. But when he almost gave up, he fell. He almost caught it when it fell into the water. But unfortunately, he missed again. He needs to reach the ladder before it flows with the river into the open sea. He needs to know what's inside. But the river swallowed the letter, and even he could do nothing more. Except to open the letter and see what's inside. Or is it?
So the first thing we used was a GoPro Hero 8, and yeah, that's it.